Hello and welcome to Awaz the Voice. Today we have with us Udesna Bora, an actress and winner of Miss India Supermodel 2021 held in Lucknow last month. Welcome to the show. Yeah.
Hello, Imtiaz. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for calling me. Thank you so much.
Udesna is the daughter of an Air Force officer from Assam, based out of Mumbai, and she is a graduate in banking and insurance. But she loves to be in a modeling and acting career. So the viewers of Awaaz the Voice will be interested in learning many facets of your life. So we would love to know few things about you.
First of all, thank you so much, first of all, for calling me here. I'm very honored to be on the show. I did my schooling and I did my schooling in various different places as dad was in Air Force and we used to travel a lot like from one place to another. We used to move like in 2 to 3 years. But I did my
Yes.
college in Bombay in KC College, and then after
Yes.
that, I always wanted to be an actor. So I'm an actor by profession, and I came into modeling, and that also by luck. One of my friend
Okay.
told me about this pageant audition. It was going on. It was going on in Hyderabad. I was in Hyderabad for a shoot. So that's
Okay.
how I came to know about the audition of the
Okay.
pageant, and
Mhm.
then it was all luck, and that's how I
Okay.
uh, joined the pageant. Yeah.
So before that, you never you were never into modeling,
No,
right?
no, 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 never. This was my
So
first time. Yeah.
you were interested in this modeling, or you said it somehow you became a model by default,
I
as you said.
not by default because everything that I do in my life it's my choice,
Yes.
and that
Okay.
somewhere I have thought of doing pageant, but it I never
Mhm.
thought it will come that day will come this soon. But I'm
Okay.
glad I did it, and
Mhm.
I won. So that's what matters. So
So first of all, you want to say are an actress, then you became a model. So
yeah.
whom do you idolize as model or actress?
I don't have a specific name for that, but if you ask me whom I
Yes.
relate the most, I would say Vidya Balan. I
Okay.
know her journey, and I somehow somewhere relate my journey to her.
Okay. And what kind of inspiration did you derive from her? I mean, you relate.
To
Yeah.
always go on, no matter how things get
Yes.
in front of you. You just have to keep your mind positive and stay
Yes.
positive and just
Okay.
look and always concentrate on your talent that you have inside you. You know yourself,
Okay. Hmm.
that's what matters, and just go on, give your best.
So, what were the challenges you faced as a beginner, and what do they still pose a hurdle in your way forward?
There are a lot many challenges still comes on my way, starting from giving auditions, and when you come from no background, because there's nobody in my
Yes.
family who's in this industry,
Yes.
coming that way, you don't have any idea of how things gonna be and how people are there, because I was so
Hmm.
fresh, always there in my
Okay.
shell, and dad is in defense, so that's how we have always been brought
Yeah.
up, like full discipline and everything.
Mm.
So when
Okay.
this I started my journey, a lot of hurdles, like where auditions are
Mm.
going on, if I'm going to the right place or not, or if I'm meeting the right
Okay.
people or not. So people
Hmm.
also matters, your circle matters, your
Yes.
whom you're making friends matters. A friendship is very important here, because you
Yes.
can't trust easily. That's how it is.
Hmm.
You have to be headstrong first before
Yes.
coming to this industry. Otherwise,
Okay.
it will become very difficult. So the way challenges are throws at you.
So, since you are from Assam, I mean, your roots are in Assam, whom do you find most inspiring personality in Assam? I mean, there are a lot of cultural people, a lot of political people who have always inspired the younger generations. Do you find anybody inspiring in Assam?
So I feel really bad that I'm from Assam, but I'm glad that I know the language. My mom dad has
Yes.
always have
Mm.
make us know the language, even though we can't read or write. I've
Yes.
never been there in Assam. I've never stayed in Assam. So I've
Okay.
always been there in summer vacations and stuff. But I remember when
Mm-hmm.
I was small, I was very young, a newborn baby.
Mm-hmm.
My dad used to say that. I used to hear Bhupen Hazarika's song a lot. So I used
Okay.
to hear his voice and then go to sleep. So
Okay.
Bhupen Hazarika's Buku Hum Hum Kore, this song is
Yes.
really, really close to my heart.
Okay. So, have you ever tried working in a kind of a Assamese movie or Assamese television productions?
I don't mind seriously. I'm just looking for opportunities and looking for
Yes.
good projects. Even opportunities are given, I would definitely grab it and I will definitely work on it.
Into the South Indian movie network, who are the leading personalities you have already worked with?
Okay, so I just started it. I've done my first film in South, and I'm in talks with some. So
Yeah.
fingers crossed, hopes are high.
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay. And in the television industry, I think you have acted in several television programs, I mean, serials and all. So, who are the people you have worked with?
I have worked in Ekta Kapoor's web series called Porishpur recently. I've become one of the
Okay.
Ranis there. And then
Okay.
I have done mytho shows,
Hmm.
mythological shows and serials.
Yes.
And
Yes. And in the modeling industry, have you worked with any leading designer or anybody like that?
I really hoping to work with some leading fashionable designers, but I have worked with
Okay.
this photographer from Delhi, Praveen Bhatt. So he's a fashion
Okay.
photographer. I worked with him,
Yes.
and
Yes.
I'm looking forward to work with designers soon.
Will you tell us a little about this Lucknow pageant where you were crowned Miss India International supermodel? I mean,
Mm-hmm.
what was your feeling when you were crowned the winner?
First of all, I never thought I'll go this far in the pageant. It was all
Okay.
just by luck and God's grace. I've been crowned, and there were so many contestants from all over the world. Mostly,
Yes.
mostly there were Indian contestants only, but there were a
Yes.
few from international as well. Um,
Yes.
it was a 5 or 6 day show, and
Yes.
there we had a lot of rounds and everything. And the last day was super hectic, and everything was like I can't even express. It just happened. It just happened. It was
Yes.
very beautiful. The feeling was very beautiful. I was speechless, and
Yeah.
it felt good. I never thought that I'll won the show. So
Yes.
yeah.
Do you think it's kind of an extra motivation in your career forward?
Definitely. It's definitely an extra motivation boost for my
Yes.
career. People
Okay.
are knowing me. People from Assam are knowing me. I've given three,
Yeah.
four interviews already. This is, I guess, my
Yes.
fourth or fifth interview. So I'm feeling super lucky and blessed, to be honest.
What do you think about the contemporary fashion industry in India now? It has cutthroat competition. Whom do you consider your toughest opponent in the fashion industry?
I have always kept myself as a competitor for me. I don't see
Okay.
anybody as a competition. I don't want to be sound overconfident here, but that's
Hmm.
how I've been always brought up.
Okay.
Try to make yourself better. That's how I have learned in my life how good you can improve yourself, how better you
Hmm.
can do. So I always concentrate on myself than others. I don't see people around me. I see myself and I want to improve myself. I want to improve everything that I have, like
Yeah.
my acting skills, my speaking skills, or my dancing skills, or
Yes.
whatever. I just want to
Yes.
improve myself and just go ahead in life.
Given
So
a
for me,
chance,
my biggest competition is me only.
given a chance, who are the leading designers you would love to work with?
There are so many, but my most favorite is Manish Malhotra for sure.
There has been a latest trend of some sports persons making the foray into a fashion industry, I mean modeling industry. So, do you think it is an extra competition to the models, the professional models.
Everybody has different perspectives about this. I totally have a different perspective, as I have said, that everybody
Yes.
should keep themselves first when it comes to whatever it is, whatever you're doing in life. So for me,
Okay.
competition is just, a thing
Yeah.
that comes into your life by no
Mhm.
choice. But if you keep yourself, or if you concentrate
Mhm.
more on yourself, you'll forget the competition and rest of the things in life.
Since you have been based out of Mumbai all your life, throughout your study life, so you opted for movies in the Hyderabad industry. Why didn't you look for opportunities in Mumbai? I mean, in the Bollywood.
Um, it's not just I looked out for I came to Hyderabad for movie and all. I was
Yes.
called to Hyderabad. So
Okay.
people here wanna work with me. So that's why my
Okay.
first movie is Telugu, and
Yeah.
that's how it happened. I was giving auditions there.
Okay.
I did a Telugu serial recently.
I see.
It
Okay.
was a very popular serial in here, Star Ma Telugu
Okay.
Telugu channel. So
Okay.
people there liked my performance, and then I started to have got calls
Okay.
from here. So
Yes.
that's how I
Yes.
came into this industry.
Apart from acting and modeling, are you interested in working in a banking or insurance sectors, or are you still working?
No, no, I'm not working in any bank sector or any insurance
Okay.
sector. I'm purely an actor. And
Okay.
when I had given my 12th final exams, that time I told my
Yes.
mom and dad that I'm just going. I don't want to study
Okay.
anymore. I
Okay.
want to pursue my talent. I want to pursue this, my all time favorite motivation. But
Mm-hmm.
my mom dad had told me no, studies is important, and I'm glad that I did it. So because of
Yeah, yeah.
them, I'm a graduate. Otherwise, I would have not done my graduation.
So, lastly, what goal
Yeah.
have you set for yourself in your life?
I am just wanna be a part of this industry for a very long time now. I've given a commitment. Wanna
Okay.
work with leading stars in Bollywood and as well as in Telugu industry. So yeah, this is I'm living my goal actually. I have
I
higher
see.
goals now. I wanna work with
Oh.
more known and
Mhm.
star people.
So, would you like to add anything to the youth of your home state, or maybe for entire India? I mean,
Just have this positive belief and positive feeling inside you, and no matter how
yeah.
the society is or how you have been brought up, there's this inner voice inside everybody. You
Hmm.
just need to listen that and follow your dream, follow your path, and keep your head
Okay.
strong.
So, thank you so much for sparing time for Awaz the Voice and viewers.
Thank you so much for having me. It was lovely talking to you and the viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.